Do you want glowing, healthy skin without spending money on expensive skincare products? Today, I'm sharing DIY skincare remedies using ingredients from your kitchen. These remedies are natural, affordable, and easy to make at home. Stay till the end for a simple, daily skincare routine. Welcome to okamsozor, where we share natural remedies, healthy lifestyle tips, and DIY solutions for everyday life. If you love natural skincare, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our weekly videos. 1. Honey Face Mask for glow and acne. Raw honey has antibacterial properties that help fight acne and moisturize the skin. Apply a thin layer of honey to clean skin. Leave it for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 2. Turmeric and yogurt mask for bright skin. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation and dark spots, while yogurt nourishes the skin. Mix a pinch of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of yogurt, apply for 10 minutes, then rinse. Use a very small amount of turmeric to avoid staining. 3. Oatmeal scrub for gentle exfoliation. Oatmeal removes dead skin cells and soothes sensitive skin. Mix ground oatmeal with honey or water, massage gently and rinse. 4. Aloe vera gel for soothing and healing. Aloe vera helps calm irritation and hydrate the skin. Apply fresh aloe gel directly to the face and leave it on. 5. Cucumber and lemon toner for fresh skin. Cucumber cools the skin and reduces puffiness. Mix cucumber juice with a few drops of lemon juice and apply with cotton. Avoid lemon if you have sensitive skin. Bonus, daily skincare routine. Simple natural routine. Cleanse with warm water. Apply aloe vera or light oil. Use sunscreen during the day. Consistency is key for healthy skin. Important safety tip. Always do a patch test before trying any new skincare remedy to avoid irritation. These DIY kitchen skincare remedies are simple, natural, and effective when used correctly and consistently. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to okamsozor for more natural remedies and healthy living tips. Comment below and tell me which DIY skincare remedy will you try first.